So, okay, you go the trauma for the toilet. I will know the price.
Okay. This one now, this is Vista. This is small Vista.
Okay, small Vista.
Yes. This one comes together with the washing basin. This is 55,000 naira for the set.
Okay, 55,000 for the set.
Both washing basin, where the brush it and the cover.
Okay.
55,000.
Okay, 55.
Yes. Likewise, this one now. This is golden diamond, the small one also.
Okay, the small golden diamond.
Yes. This one is also 55,000. Current price.
Okay, 55.
Current price. Why this one? This is Vista. This is square shape Vista. This is medium Vista.
Okay, the medium.
Yes, this one is the square shape of it. Why this one is the round shape of it?
But okay, this one are the round shape.
Yes, any of the two is medium.
Okay. My brother, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, the 3rd of February 2024. For today, the 4th quote. I want to give you the latest price of a toilet and toilet fittings for today. In front of me, this Oga Lapata will tell us the price. Oga, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Chairman.
May I talk to you? So, my name is Abone. What about your name?
My name is Vincent, sir.
So, what are they the price of a toilet and the fittings? Before they let our friend know, Oga, we will let tell our friend when they patronize you through this our channel.
First of all, I want to wish them a happy new year and a happy new month. And also to thank them for their patronage. Yes, and also to thank this person that created this Talk Show platform also.
Okay.
We always give you the best thing and best material.
Our flat at them, visit our website. The link they on top of this video. So, okay, you go the trauma for the toilet. I will know the price.
Okay. This one now, this is Vista. This is small Vista.
Okay, small Vista.
Yes. This one comes together with the washing basin. This is 55,000 naira for the set.
Okay, 55,000 for the set.
Both washing basin, where the brush it and the cover.
Okay,
55,000.
Okay, 55.
Yes. Likewise, this one now. This is golden diamond, the small one also.
Okay, the small golden diamond.
Yes. This one is also 55,000. Current price.
Okay, 55.
Current price. Why this one? This is Vista. This is square shape Vista. This is medium Vista.
Okay, the medium.
Yes, this one is the square shape of it. Why this one is the round shape of it?
But okay, this one are the round shape.
Yes, any of the two is medium.
Okay.
So this one is sold for 65,000 naira.
Okay, 65.
So likewise, this one, any of the two, the same price, 65,000.
Okay.
The set with the washing basin. Then this one is the big Vista. You can see it.
This one is the big one.
Yeah. With soft landing. The cover is soft landing.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is sold for 85,000.
How much?
85,000.
Okay, 85,000 for this big one.
And this is golden diamond. This is big golden diamond.
Okay, the big golden diamond.
Yes. This one is sold for 80,000 naira. 80,000.
Okay, 80,000 naira. Okay.
Then this one is washing basin. This is washing basin for your dining. Understand? This one is sold for 160,000.
With the tap?
No, it doesn't come with the tap. You buy the tap separate. Okay. The tap is 20,000.
Okay, how much is talking for the?
This one 160,000.
Okay, 160,000.
Then this one, this piano sink. Call it a piano sink.
Okay, piano sink.
This one is 5 button. You can see it. This one is sold for 270,000 naira.
Okay, 270.
270,000. It's cup wash. This is the cup wash.
Okay, cup wash. Yes. Okay.
You know the accessory that comes.
Okay, all these things. Now the accessory when you see this inside this.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see it has double tap. This tap. Then this one is also another tap.
Okay.
Then this one is dining washing basin again. This is another design.
Another design.
Yeah.
So how much for this?
Say 160,000.
Okay, 160,000.
Then this one is toilet. This is another big toilet.
Another big toilet.
Yeah. You can see this one sold for 190,000 naira.
Okay, 190 for this variant.
Yes. Then this water heater, 15 liter water heater.
Okay, 15 liter water heater.
Yes. This one is sold for 80,000 naira.
Okay, 80,000.
This smoke extractor, automatic smoke extractor. You can see this one is still hand wave. This one is sold for 230,000 naira.
Okay, 230 for this smoke extractor.
Yeah. Okay. Then this kitchen sink. The silver one 50,000. White, black and gold 60,000.
Okay, the silver one which stock is that?
50,000.
This ash and gold.
Gold and black.
Okay, black. Okay, yeah.
60,000.
Okay.
Then this one is mirror. All these are LED mirror. Different type. Like this one now, this is 3 color. You can see this one. This one have 3 color. This one is sold for 60,000 naira.
Okay, 60,000
for this one. Yeah. Then why this one? This one is just one light. Understand? This one is just one light. This one is sold for 45,000. Likewise, any of all this one. Let me show you this one.
Gentlemen.
So it's sold for 45,000.
Okay, both up and down.
Yes, yes. Any of them for 5,000.
Okay.
Then this one is step mirror.
Okay, step mirror.
This one is sold for 25,000.
25.
Yeah.
What about this?
Same price, 25,000.
25.
Then this power shower. This one's a power shower. Different type. This one is sold for 90,000 current.
Each one is 90,000.
90,000. Yes. Why something like this one is sold for 100,000 naira.
Okay, this is very good.
It's sold for 100,000. Then all these are tissue holder. I sold dish different colors. Then this one is shower. Piano shower. You can see it. This one is sold for 80,000 naira.
Okay, 80,000 for the piano shower.
Yes. And this silver shower, this one is sold for 45,000 naira.
Okay, 45,000.
Yes.
Okay.
And the black one is sold for 70,000 naira.
Okay, the black 70,000.
That's why this is the small piano shower.
Okay, the small piano shower.
This one is sold for 48,000 naira.
48,000.
Yes. And this one, any of these two is sold for 38,000. This gold and black with this pure black.
Okay, gold and pure black. How much?
38,000 last price.
Okay.
Yeah. Then this is choice anti-rust shower. This one is sold for 55,000.
Okay, 55. Yes. Anti-rust.
Why this one? This one is sold for 25,000.
Okay, this one 25.
And then the single one 8,000 naira.
Okay, this single one 8,000 naira.
Yeah. This one is multiple towering. This one is sold for 23,000 naira.
Okay, 20,000 naira.
Then single towering, only of this two. This one is sold for 8,000 naira. Why the double is sold for 10,000 naira?
Okay.
Then this washing basin. Dining washing basin.
Okay, dining washing basin.
This black is sold for 140,000. 140,000. And this one, this mirror have 3 lights now. You can see it. And this mirror is sold for 70,000. These 3 lights.
Okay.
But the single light, just like this one is single light. This one is sold for 65,000.
Okay, 65,000 for the single light.
Yes. Then this one is a cabinet washing basin.
Cabinet washing basin
with the floor wash. This one is sold for 170,000 naira. And the big brother tap, this one sold for 48,000.
Okay, 48,000.
Yes. Then we have this washing basin. This is also dining washing basin.
Okay.
Understand? This washing basin is sold for 110,000.
Okay, 110,000.
10,000. Yeah. Then this toilet. This toilet now. This Rockford, England.
Together, England.
Yes, comes together with this washing basin, suspended bill. So I sold for 420,000.
Okay, 420.
420,000. Yeah. Okay. Then this one is another black toilet. This one is sold for 350.
Okay, this black one.
Yes, it's sold for 350,000 naira.
Okay.
Then this another one, Rockford, England. This is just plain white toilet. This one is sold for 230,000.
Okay, 230 for this one.
Yeah. Then I have something like this also. You can see this marble design.
Okay, marble
design. Yeah. It's black line. This one is sold for 370,000.
Okay, 370.
Yes. Then this one sold for 320,000.
Okay, this one at 320.
This yes, with the washing basin.
Okay.
Understand? Then we have this one also, this egg-shaped toilet. This one is sold for 400,000.
Okay, this one of
400,000 together with the washing basin.
Okay.
Now this 10-liter water heater.
Okay, 10-liter water heater.
Yes.
How much?
70,000 current price.
Okay, 70.
Yes,
for current price now.
Yes. Then this one is also another Rockford, England toilet. This one they sell to the washing basin. It's sold for 320,000.
Okay, 320 for this one.
Yes. Then this kitchen sink, double bowl, one tray. This one is sold for 35,000. And this one is sold for 105. This gold.
105,000.
Then the silver of it is sold for 95,000.
Okay, the silver.
Yes, the silver color. And this manual extractor. So it's sold for 140.
Okay, 140.
This manual extractor, yes.
Okay.
Then this one, automatic. You can see the remote here.
Okay, automatic.
Yes. This one is sold for 180,000 naira.
180,000.
Okay.
Yes. The automatic.
And this one is a cabinet wash and basin.
They go with this mirror for?
Yes, comes together with this mirror. And the mirror is also LED mirror.
Okay, the mirror and LED mirror.
Yes. This one is sold for 230,000 naira together with the mirror.
Okay, 230 with the mirror.
Yes. Then we have something like this also. This one is sold for 180.
And it still go with this mirror?
Yes, comes with the mirror also.
180.
180, yeah. Then this one, another design. Same comes together with the mirror.
Okay.
Cabinet and the mirror. This one is sold for 160,000.
160,000.
Yes. Then this one is sold for 165,000.
Okay, this one 165 for this.
Now this one is small ones. They also come with a mirror. This one is sold for 65,000.
Okay, each.
Each of them.
Okay. So another one you get for our viewers for today.
Yes.
I know the others things there for warehouse. As now buy here now need them plenty. Everything full inside showroom. Okay, you go call your phone number and you address me. Our viewer fit reach you.
My phone number is 070-140-90485.
On that number there?
Another number there, but that one is just only for my WhatsApp.
Only for your WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, yes.
Okay.
That one is 081-511-82532.
My people, I greet you for the time when I watch this video.